EDEM is high-performance engineering simulation software used in the design of bulk materials, handling, and processing equipment. First introduced to industry nearly a decade ago, EDEM is powered by state-of-the-art discrete element modeling technology and uniquely provides engineers with the capability to quickly and accurately simulate and analyze the behavior of their granular solid systems. By introducing EDEM simulation and analysis into their design workflow, companies can significantly reduce physical prototyping and testing costs and increase the productivity and reliability of their equipment and processes. EDEM provides the key functionality and performance that customers need to realize maximum productivity benefits from engineering simulation across product design and production processes. EDEM has been developed to be very user-friendly while also providing the flexibility for application in a wide range of industrial processes involving particles. It is completely customizable and can be deployed as a standalone solution or in combination with other CAE software such as CFD, finite element analysis, and multi-body dynamics. With EDEM's application programming and coupling interfaces, users can customize the physics and include the effects of fluids, electromagnetic fields, and machine dynamics.